What's up, you guys? What I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna be installing some new Underglow lights. It shouldn't be that hard. It's pretty simple. I already started it. And pretty much I'm choosing the wiring it to the battery deal. See? So what you gotta do is you see, here's the first one. These are the two middle ones. Then I started this one already. See? So, but what you gotta do, you gotta unplug your battery so that way you can run it pretty smoothly. But first, we'll see if it works with all my extensions and stuff. So right now what I'm doing, I'm checking to see if they work with all the extension cords. And these are the extension cords right here. These. And then that one right here. And it's all with an app. So yeah, they work. So we should be good to go. Now all I gotta do is just run them down through the truck and then see if they go. See, I got these right there. done. All we gotta do now is just wait for the nighttime and see how they look at night. But the installation itself, it wasn't even that hard. Pretty much you got this wire right here. Like I said, you got a positive and a negative. You can put the ground pretty much to anything. And then positive, what I did, I just combined it with the other one. And then I went straight down, and then I installed them down there. And then I went back up, and then I followed this wire right here. And then from right there it goes all the way down. And then it plugs in the middle where the spare tire was. Yeah, now we wait for nighttime. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. If y'all like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.